Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian. I review true wireless stereo earbuds and internet monitors, and today I'm going to be unboxing some new buds I bought from Amazon. I'm trying to do this by cutting away from the body. Safety first. This knife is huge, I don't want to cut myself. Alright, get to the bottom here. There. Ooh, I didn't put no bubble wrap? Oh, y'all just threw the things in the box, huh? Man, that's terrible. Okay, what we got here? We got the Haylou W1 true wireless earbuds. Okay, so when I was looking at these on Amazon, I had no idea they had like a nose driver inside. I hope they got more than that. Qualcomm aptX adaptive. Ooh. Hey, listen to me. Okay. Okay, here we go. We got a dynamic and a balanced armature driver. Nice. Okay, let me take this plastic off. Got some features on here. Let's see. What are these features we got? There's some good stuff on here. I just bought them because they were cheap. I think all together I spent like 25 bucks. So they had a coupon code to come with them. Stunning sound quality, nose balanced armature driver and dynamic driver, restoring live CD sound quality. Bluetooth 5.2, 20 hours of battery life, 6 hours playback time, and 20 hours with a charging case. Qualcomm QCC 3040 chip, 4 mics, clear calls, and touch controls. All right. Okay, let's take the sleeve off. See what we got. Now, if I'm not mistaken, Haylou is Xiaomi, I think. You know, correct me if I'm wrong. I like the color scheme. The white and the silver. Looks nice. Okay, so yeah. Hoo-wee. Man. These do not look like no $25 earbuds. They're getting good. That make me happy. I'm very happy. Yeah, these look nice. They're lightweight. They're contoured, so they'll fit comfortably. Man, I'm Butterfingers. They'll fit comfortably in your ears. Silicone tips are nice and spongy feeling. Okay, let's look at the case here. Even the case is small. Is these gonna fit in here? Look at the case. All right, let me put these in here and see if they got any juice. Okay, so these are like the Neo Buds Pro here. Okay. Yep, okay, we got LED indicator lights on the front. Got 3. I'm gonna close that right quick. Let me see what else comes in the box. Okay, we got a tab here. Okay, we got us doing all types of crazy stuff. All right, so we got the silicone tips. So you're getting small, medium, and large. Little cornstarch pouch, USB Type-C cable, and you get some paperwork. What is this, like a little brochure user guide? Yes, it is. Okay, let me move all this over to the side. Let's see what all we get. Okay, not bad. So we're getting the LED light, multifunction button. So 2 mics on each earbud, 4 all together. USB Type-C charging port, there it is on the back. LED lights on the front, you already seen those. Okay. Not bad, okay. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Okay, here's a flashing status. If it's 3 lights, it's 70 to 100. 2 lights, 30 to 69 to 30. And 1 light is 0 to 29%. And then powering them on. Okay, yeah. All right, that's great. Now, what about them controls? What? Okay, so we only get what, English and Chinese? You're not gonna list the controls on here? Okay, you can switch between mono and stereo mode, which means you can use these individually. Oh wait, here it is. It's down here at the bottom. Okay, so we get a pause and play, and then you get skip next track, previous track, end call, and summon the voice assistant. So it doesn't look like we get any volume control, so that sucks. But I can't complain on some $25 earbuds. I think they were like 30, so $30 earbuds. Not bad. I like the feel of this case. It's very small. Doesn't feel cheap. Now, I've never tried Haylou before. I've been wanting to get some earbuds from different companies besides Soundpeats, Soundcore, Back Bay, and Tribit. So this will be very interesting to try out. Hopefully I'll have a review out by next week or later next week. So this has been the unboxing of the Haylou W1 True Wireless Earbuds. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share this video. And with that,